The legendary Big Muff Pi has been the standard distortion for over 30 years. The Little Big Muff is based on the electronic layout of that Big Muff Pi that came out in 1970. So with this box, what you're getting is you get the great sustain, the killer distortion sound, except it's now coming in a die-cast box, so it's really super roadworthy. It fits into your pedal board great. This pedal really is a fantastic addition to the line of Big Muff pedals. So check out this great Big Muff sound. So now we're going to turn the tone up a little bit and get even more kind of like a more fuzz, in-your-face kind of sound. The Little Big Muff gives you all the power of the Big Muff Pi, but puts it in a much smaller package. This is a really great pedal. I use this all the time in the studio, and I use it all the time on the road.